So a pretty cool thing happened tonight. I got an email from Ally, and it was to let me know that I had a new dividend. I told you guys back in November on my dividend portfolio update that I got 4 free stocks for Viatris, ticker symbol VTRS. And that was a result of a merger between a portion of Pfizer, the Upjohn division, and a European pharmaceutical company. I got 4 free shares, which is kind of cool. Now, they were like $17 shares, right? So they weren't super expensive, but they dropped a little bit. So I decided to buy a little. I bought 3 more shares. You guys, I just got a dividend today for $5.76. That represents a dividend yield of about 4.7%. I've only held the stock since the 17th of November. So it's really new, and it's actually pretty cool because I didn't do anything. I didn't buy the stock, and now I'm getting a $5.76 dividend from it. That to me is pretty awesome. What do you guys think? Free stock, free dividend, $5 plus. No work. I'm in. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't seen the videos, Firefighters Financial Toolbox, give us a like, subscribe. Thanks.